left of the basket. I don't care what technique you use.
Okay.
And park it. And then I want you to come in from the right of the basket and park it.
Okay. Came in from the right. That's parked. Coming in hot!
Your voice just cracked. That was funny. Oh my gosh, you almost threw it.
Alright, I didn't exactly do the first one the best, so. That sucks.
But you gotta tell me what you're doing when you're doing it. Like okay, that was on the money. But tell me what you're doing as you're doing it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try to park it like you said, because that deal there.
But park it on the left or the right?
Left.
So that was on the right.
Come in.
Oh, you hit the basket.